Welcome to the Web Application Pen Testing course on Pentester Academy. Now in this video, we will look at exploiting LFI when there are directory prepends happening in the include. So here is the vulnerable code, and if you notice, what we've done is we've prepended an HTML slash with whatever comes in for page. And of course, from the developer's perspective, this is exactly how it would be, because the HTML directory is what contains the different pages, right? So to show a quick demo, and you can download these files as a zip from under the video. Say home.html. And if you clearly see, it says I am home, and this is the local file which was actually fetched, right? Home, and similarly this is contact. Fantastic. There you go. Now in such cases we can actually do a path traversal attack. So let's say we have no clue about where etc password is. So we can try going down one level. Doesn't seem to work. Let's add another level. Doesn't seem to work. Let's go down another level. Again doesn't work. One more level. And there you go, right? So like this, depending on where we are, because not necessarily every single time you would be mapped to where www, we can actually do a path traversal attack. Now similarly, we can actually even find security controls. Nothing in here. Aha, right, just like in the last video. And if you recall, I said whenever you look at any of these config files with a browser, also ensure you look at the source, because a lot of times they have open and close tags which end up getting not shown by the browser, right? So if you notice, there is a file called credit card in the directory which is password protected, right? So we could actually try and access the file, and there you go, right? Now in the previous directory, if you had seen the htaccess file, you would also find ht password in there. There you go, and this can come in handy. Maybe there are users by the same name, you can do a bunch of things. So this is how one goes ahead and beats the cases where directories are actually prepended to the vulnerable part of the code in LFI. So that's all I had for this video, and if you're enjoying your time at Pentester Academy, then please do recommend us to your friends and colleagues in the InfoSec community. Thank you.